Learn Hindi through funny travel phrases. I see the man too.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi with a slightly dramatic day out. Stay with me, laugh a little, and repeat aloud. Our hero leaves home with confidence, zero direction, and a very serious face. First, through the window, the hero announces.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
That means, I see the man. A strong start. No one asked, but confidence matters. The 5 survival sentences. Before the story gets gloriously chaotic, let's meet your key Hindi phrases. Repeat each one after me. I see the man.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
I take the bus.
मैं बस लेता हूँ.
I would like a coffee.
मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा.
I buy a snack.
मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
I find the entrance.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
A very normal morning. Now imagine this like a mini-movie in your head. The more vivid it is, the easier the Hindi sticks. You stand by the window with a cup that is sadly empty. You look outside and whisper like a detective in a low-budget film.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
Dramatic music plays for absolutely no reason. Then you remember you have places to go, so you say.
मैं बस लेता हूँ.
Excellent. You are now moving through the city and through grammar. Coffee before intelligence. Let's be honest, language learning before coffee can feel illegal. So let's order like a champion. You enter a cafe looking half awake and fully hopeful. You do not bark the word coffee like a confused robot. You use the full phrase.
मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा.
That means, I would like a coffee. Much smoother, much more elegant, much less likely to sound like a malfunctioning espresso machine. Snack emergency. Coffee helps, but your stomach now files an official complaint. Time for the next phrase. At a little shop, you look at the snacks with deep emotional commitment and say.
मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
I buy a snack. Perfect. The stomach quiets down. World peace is restored for at least 11 minutes. The entrance mystery. Now you arrive at a building that was apparently designed by a puzzle-loving architect. Breathe. You know the phrase. You walk left. No door. You walk right. Still no door. A pigeon watches you with concern. Finally you declare.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
I find the entrance. The key phrase here is.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Meaning entrance. Very useful when a building plays hide and seek. Quick word zoom. Let's slow down for a moment and notice the building blocks. Tiny pieces make the big sentence easier.
मैं.
Means I.
आदमी.
Means man.
बस.
Means bus.
कॉफी.
Means coffee.
नाश्ता.
Means snack.
प्रवेश द्वार.
Means entrance. Mini dialogue on the street. You are doing great. Now listen to these tiny dialogues and imagine yourself in them. Friend, what do you see? You.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
Friend, how do you travel? You.
मैं बस लेता हूँ.
Barista, what would you like? You.
मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा.
Shopkeeper, what are you doing? You.
मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
Guard, why are you walking in circles? You.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
Repeat after me challenge. Now it's your turn. I'll give the English, and you say the Hindi before hearing it. I see the man.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
I take the bus.
मैं बस लेता हूँ.
I would like a coffee.
मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा.
I buy a snack.
मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
I find the entrance.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
Memory tricks that actually help. Let's make these phrases sticky. The stranger the image, the better your brain remembers it. 4.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
Imagine giant detective glasses spotting one man in a crowd. 4.
मैं बस लेता हूँ.
Imagine a bus waiting outside your bedroom like an impatient pet. 4.
मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा.
Picture a coffee cup the size of a house. 4.
मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
Imagine your stomach wearing a tie and demanding a snack. 4.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
Imagine a glowing golden entrance while a pigeon applauds. Final funny recap. Let's run through your whole Hindi day one last time. Say it with confidence, even if you sound like a heroic tourist. You wake up, look outside, and say.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ.
You leave home and say.
मैं बस लेता हूँ.
At the cafe, you proudly order.
मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा.
When hunger attacks again, you say.
मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
And when the building tries to defeat you, you win with.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
Thanks and keep practicing. Nice work today. You learned useful Hindi and survived the world's most dramatic errand trip. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating these Hindi phrases out loud.
मैं आदमी को देखता हूँ. मैं बस लेता हूँ. मैं एक कॉफी चाहूँगा. मैं एक नाश्ता खरीदता हूँ.
And.
मैं प्रवेश द्वार ढूंढता हूँ.
Come back, practice again, and let your Hindi grow stronger every day.